Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about zucchini, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for using zucchini. And so hopefully this will help you out along the way. The list is a little long, so I've broken it up into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to part two below in the description box. Zucchini is mostly water, like 95% water, with a lot of nutrients found in the skin. So for the most nutritional value, try to refrain from peeling your zucchini if you possibly can. Try adding some raw zucchini to salads. Why not stuff zucchini with a mixture of rice, lentils, or vegetables and then bake it for an easy and a very decorative meal? Try spiralizing zucchini and serve it with your favorite pasta sauce. Why not thinly slice zucchini lengthwise and use it for lasagna noodles? Now you can do that with a vegetable peeler or a slicer of some sort, whatever you happen to have. It should work very easily that way. If you happen to grow your own zucchini, know that the blossoms are edible and you can eat them raw or cooked, and you can add them to salads or soups or even stews. Try adding grated zucchini to breads, muffins, cakes, pancakes, and even to veggie burgers. Try grilled or sauteed zucchini as a side dish. Flavor it with a little garlic, onion, and herbs of your choice, and you might choose from basil, oregano, parsley, thyme, or dill. Any of those would work well with zucchini. Again, this is part one. Part two is coming. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.